Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve another problem on reduction of share capital. So let us go through the problem first. Lata and Company Limited suffered heavy losses. A scheme of reconstruction was adopted on the following terms. First one, on cancellation of 80,000 old shares of rupees 10 each, the new equity shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 4 by 8 of old shares and 4% preference shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 3 by 8 of old shares. So earlier the company was having 80,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So in place of that you have to issue new equity shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 4 by 8. So to the extent of 4 by 8 you have to issue equity shares, and to the extent of 3 by 8 you have to issue 4% preference shares. Okay. For the purpose of internal reconstruction, credit balances of general reserve rupees 20,000 and profit and loss account of rupees 10,000 were also applied. So here you have got reserves, general reserve and profit and loss account. So even that has to be utilized for capital reduction. The amount so available is to be utilized to write off goodwill rupees 40,000, preliminary expenses rupees 40,000, and also to reduce the value of furniture by 15,000 and debtors by 30,000. So whatever amount of capital reduction you get, that you have to utilize to write off goodwill, preliminary expenses, furniture and debtors. Okay. So let us start our calculation. First we will calculate how much is the amount of capital reduction. So here you can see our old share capital is how much? 80,000 shares of rupees 10 each. That means you have 8 lakh rupees. Okay, 8 lakh is your old share capital. From that you have to issue new equity shares of rupees 10 each to the extent of 4 by 8 of old shares. So your share capital is 8 lakhs into 4 divided by 8. So that will be your new equity share capital. So 8 lakhs into 4 divided by 8, that will be 4 lakhs. Okay. And preference shares are to be issued to the extent of 3 by 8. So your actual share capital is 8 lakhs. From that your preference shares are 3 by 8. Okay. So your preference share capital amount will be 3 lakhs. Okay. So out of 8 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs is your share capital. So the amount of capital reduction available with you will be 1 lakh rupees. So this is the amount available for capital reduction. From 8 lakh, 4 lakh will be your equity shares, 4 lakh will be your preference shares. So 1 lakh is available for capital reduction. In that you have to add the amount of general reserve as well as profit and loss account. Even that is available for capital reduction. So the amount of general reserve we can directly show it in the outer column is 20,000, and that of profit and loss account you have is 10,000. So the total amount available for capital reduction is 1,30,000. So this we will utilize to write goodwill, preliminary expenses, furniture and debtors. So let us now pass the journal entries. So first you have to cancel the old shares, and in its place you are issuing equity shares and preference shares. So we have to pass this entry for cancellation of old shares by issue of new shares. So first we will take share capital account debit. So our old share capital is 8 lakhs as we have calculated here. Okay. Then to equity share capital. So our new equity share is 4/8 of the old equity share capital, which we have calculated here. It is 4 lakh rupees. Next to preference share capital, our new preference share capital is 3 lakhs. And the amount of capital reduction available is 1 lakh. So this is how you pass the entry. Share capital account, this is old, to equity share capital account new, which is to the extent of 4 by 8, to preference share capital, which is to the extent of 3 by 8, and whatever amount is left, that will be utilized for capital reduction. Narration: being cancellation of 80,000 old shares of rupees 10 each by issue of new equity shares to the extent of 4 by 8 and new preference shares to the extent of 3 by 8. This is how you pass the journal entry for this transaction. You are cancelling your old share capital and issuing new equity shares and preference shares. Now next is, for the purpose of internal reconstruction, credit balances of general reserve 20,000 and profit and loss account of 10,000 were also applied. So you have to make use of general reserve and profit and loss account to write off the losses. So the entry for that is C, for applying the credit balance of general reserve, profit and loss account, profit prior to incorporation, etc. You have to pass this entry. General reserve account debit, profit and loss account debit to capital reduction account. So let us pass the entry for this. General reserve is 20,000 and profit and loss account is 10,000. So our entry will be like this. General reserve account debit, amount is 20,000. Profit and loss account debit, amount is 10,000. To capital reduction amount is 30,000. Narration: being credit balance of general reserve and profit and loss account is applied for the purpose of capital reduction. Okay. And the entry for this last transaction, the amount so available is to be utilized to write off goodwill rupees 40,000, preliminary expenses of 40,000, and also to reduce the value of furniture by 15,000 and debtors by 30,000. So now we have to pass this last entry, that is for utilization of capital reduction amount. So how much is the capital reduction amount with us? 1,30,000 we have already calculated. So using this we have to write off goodwill, preliminary expenses, furniture and debtors. So let us pass the entry. Capital reduction account debit, amount is 1,30,000. To goodwill account, what is the amount of goodwill to be written off? It is 40,000. So we will write it here. Then to preliminary expenses, they are also 40,000. Then next what you have to write off is furniture, which is 15,000. And then you have to write off debtors, which is 30,000. Now if you add all this, you will see that there is still balance remaining in the capital reduction. So that we will credit it to capital reserve account. So the balance is 5,000. So this is our balancing figure. Okay. So this is how you pass the entry. First you collect the amount of capital reduction and then you utilize it for writing of goodwill, preliminary expenses, furniture, debtors. Narration: being capital reduction amount utilized as per the scheme of reconstruction and balance of rupees 5,000 is transferred to capital reserve account. So this is how you solve the problem. I hope you have understood how to solve problems on reduction of share capital. With this, I conclude for today. Thank you.